If you still picture Serbia's military as a relic of the past, rusty Soviet leftovers and a handful of aging MiG-29s, it's time for a serious update. In 2025, Serbia is rewriting its military story, unveiling advanced weapons that mark a dramatic leap from just a few years ago. From cutting-edge Chinese air defense systems to French fighter jets and domestically engineered armored vehicles, Serbia is carrying out one of Europe's most daring modernization programs, and doing it with unmistakable Balkan style. Let's start with what grabbed global attention. Serbia became the first European nation to deploy China's Fk-3 air defense system. This isn't some museum piece, it's the export version of the HQ-22, a powerful surface-to-air missile system capable of engaging up to 6 targets at once, over distances beyond 60 miles. It can take down aircraft, drones, and cruise missiles moving at blistering speeds. The setup includes radars, command units, and multiple launchers, creating a modern shield over Serbian skies. For a small Balkan state surrounded by NATO, that's not just an upgrade, it's a statement. Serbian operators trained in China before bringing the system home, and now it's under the control of the prestigious 250th Air Defense Missile Brigade, a legendary Cold War unit. The symbolism is clear. While many European nations invest in American Patriots, Serbia turned east and came back with something closer to Russia's S-300. The Fk-3 hasn't seen combat in Europe yet, but its presence alone strengthens Belgrade's deterrence power. Anyone tempted to trespass into Serbian airspace might want to rethink, and maybe toast their restraint with a glass of rakija instead. Now let's move from the skies to the ground, where Serbia's homegrown pride rolls on 6 massive wheels. The Nora B-52 self-propelled howitzer. This 155mm artillery gun, fully designed and built domestically, has gone through several evolutions. The latest model, the M15, can hit targets more than 35 miles away with precision ammunition. What really stands out, though, is mobility. Built on an armored truck chassis, the Nora can move in, fire, and reposition before the enemy can react. It's the essence of modern shoot-and-scoot tactics, fast, flexible, and lethal. Unlike the slow-toed Soviet artillery of old, this one's built for survival and accuracy. For Serbia's defense industry, the Nora isn't just a weapon. It's a symbol of independence. It proves that Belgrade isn't simply importing firepower, it's creating it, and the world has taken notice. The system has been exported to several nations, turning it into both a business success and a matter of national pride. So, while Serbs may enjoy slow coffee breaks in the kafana, their artillery certainly doesn't take its time when duty calls. Serbia's modernization drive continues on wheels and tracks, with the Lazar 3 and Miloš M armored vehicles. The Lazar 3, a robust 8-wheeled troop carrier, can be configured with heavy machine guns, autocannons, or even anti-tank missiles. Built for speed, protection, and versatility, it's designed to transport soldiers safely through rough Balkan terrain while resisting mines and roadside bombs. Then comes its smaller counterpart, the Miloš, a compact, agile fighting vehicle that brings heavy firepower to the front lines. Fitted with remote weapon stations, it provides direct support to infantry units. Together, they form Serbia's backbone of ground mobility. Fast, resilient, and unmistakably homegrown. And yes, in this country, the coolest ride might just be the one with the thickest armor plating. At the center of Serbia's rearmament plan lies perhaps its boldest move yet: fighter jets. In 2024, Belgrade sealed a landmark deal with France to buy 12 Dassault Rafale multi-role fighters, 9 single-seat and 3 twin-seat versions. It's a massive technological leap from the MiG-29 still in service. The Rafale can handle air superiority, precision strikes, and reconnaissance all in one package, equipped with top-tier avionics and radar. For Serbia, this isn't just about buying planes. It's about entering a new era of air power. The first jets are expected to arrive around 2028 or 2029, but the message has already landed. Serbia, once considered firmly aligned with the East, has just signed a major defense deal with a leading Western power. It's a move that balances its ties between Moscow, Beijing, and Paris, keeping everyone guessing about Belgrade's long-term strategy. That's classic Balkan diplomacy: unpredictable, shrewd, and self-serving. And when the sleek Rafales finally roar across Serbian skies, expect half the country to flood the runways for selfies. Modern warfare, of course, demands more than tanks and jets. It demands drones. Serbia knows this and is investing heavily in unmanned systems for reconnaissance and precision strikes. Domestic development is already underway, alongside cooperation with foreign partners. These drones will soon be integrated directly with artillery like the Nora, allowing soldiers to spot a target, share its coordinates instantly, and fire within minutes. It's a huge leap from old-school observation tactics. Belgrade is also exploring loitering munitions, drones that circle over battle zones before diving onto a target. At the same time, it's investing in electronic warfare and secure communications to tie its air defenses, artillery, and armored units together into a real-time digital network. Whether that system is fully operational yet remains uncertain, but the goal is clear: a smart, connected, and data-driven army. And in true Balkan spirit, when locals say, "If we say it works," they usually mean it. But Serbia's military rise isn't just about technology, it's also political theater. Each purchase tells a story. The FK-3 deepened ties with China, the Rafale opened doors to the West, and domestic vehicles proved industrial capability. It's a balancing act that has defined Serbian foreign policy for decades: cooperate with everyone, commit to no one, and make sure Belgrade comes out ahead. Neighbors are paying attention. Croatia, Hungary, and Romania, all NATO members, are watching closely as Serbia strengthens its capabilities. This buildup doesn't make Serbia a superpower, but it does make it a far more capable regional player. And in the Balkans, where pride and power often go hand in hand, every new jet or tank becomes a symbol of resurgence. It's not just about defense, it's about national confidence. In the end, Serbia's rapid rearmament showcases ambition, ingenuity, and a fair bit of Balkan swagger. Challenges remain: funding, integration, training, but the trajectory is undeniable. Serbia is building a smaller, sharper, and more unpredictable military than many expected. And if there's one thing history has taught us, it's that you should never underestimate a nation that can blend strategy, stubbornness, and a shot of Rakija, all in the same battle plan.